Hey guys, happy Friday. Couple quick updates. So first, stock market, probably topical on a few people's minds. It's down 10% from its all-time highs. Those catalysts that have been driving it down, if they don't go away, we're not going to see the quick V-shaped recovery that we have just grown accustomed to. And that may trickle over into our market. In fact, I'd be surprised if it didn't. Bitcoin's down today again. Basically, a lot of the asset classes that correlate to ours are struggling. And I think it's kind of a matter of time before we start seeing some impact. Other impacts that may negatively affect us, obviously, perfect order. Not a great set. You look at all the drops happening on Prismatic and S tier set. One of those that usually would be driving the markets higher and has been driving the markets higher. I am picking up good supply down. I've seen several content creators saying the lows they thought we'd get to, for example, on the ETBs would be 140, 150. I am picking up lots at that price. And honestly, it could go lower. Same kind of thing with the SPC. I think booster bundles aren't going to go much lower. I think those are by far the best deal, and I have content on why. And I think right now, I would still be looking to invest in the higher quality stuff. Again, I'm a seal guy, so for me, that means something like Prismatic, take advantage of these price drops. However, I don't know that we see the pops back up that we've been accustomed to seeing in the white hot market that is Pokemon. And that's just something that you need to keep an eye on. So I think, strategically, entry points matter. I think, focusing on higher quality stuff is going to be more meaningful right now. Same kind of concept when you're trying to play a down market in any asset class. People tend to gravitate toward the safer, higher quality items that they can buy. Again, I just mentioned Prismatic. I do think it's a great opportunity to take advantage of. A lot of people that are scalping are doubling their profits, and they're fine with that. So I think that between perfect order, a lot of supply on one of our top tier sets, having prices come down, the stock market, the fact that we've just been on such a tear that it would be natural for us to retrace a little bit. And if we don't see some of the catalysts that are bringing us down reverse or kind of reconcile themselves, then we may see a sideways to downtrending market for a bit. Obviously, I hope that doesn't happen. Or maybe it does. It's always healthy to have a correction, weed out some people that are over levered and take advantage of some extra liquidity. But those are all things that are on my mind today. Those are the items that I'm buying. And also, I'm continuing to have repeat business with people, which has been great. Continuing to try to grow my business in the right way. Please like and subscribe.